Hi, welcome to What You Can Do with Mori-Nu. I'm your host, Sophie Snow, and we're here today with Pierce Abernathy. Hi, Pierce.
Hi, Sophie. How's it going?
Good. How are you?
I'm very, very excited to see what we're going to do with this.
Today, we're making chocolate silk pie with Mori-Nu Silken Tofu Organic. Mori-Nu has the perfect texture for a velvety, smooth pie filling.
I don't know about you, but I love pie and I love chocolate. Being so creamy and velvety, you know, there's not too many ingredients in here. It's quick, it's easy, and it's delicious. We're gonna start with graham crackers. A good pie starts with a good crust. We want about 1 3/4 cup of graham cracker crumbs, so that's about 14 graham crackers here. We'll go ahead and pulse the graham crackers until they form a nice fine crumb.
There you go.
Thank you. So we'll go ahead and add this to our bowl. We're going to add sugar, about 1/4 cup, 6 tablespoons of butter. All right, we're gonna give this a mix until it starts looking like wet sand. We're gonna go ahead and place this in our pie dish. And what I love to do is take any kind of measuring cup, and this helps me press and form this, this crust. This is kind of the part where you get to play with your food. You know, pie doesn't have to be perfect.
Right.
You know.
Homemade pies are always the best.
Absolutely. Well, I'm pretty happy with that. How do you think that looks?
I think it's gorgeous. Great job.
So take this to the oven?
Take it to the oven, yep.
All right, Sophie, our crust is baking. Now it's time to assemble our filling. 3 ingredients. We have the Mori-Nu Silken Tofu Organic, sugar, and melted chocolate chips.
Sounds easy.
So to a blender, first we'll cut up our tofu here.
Now, Mori-Nu Silken Tofu Organic is perfect for a pie filling because it adds protein as well as the velvety texture that blends really well. It has 4 grams of protein for a 3-ounce serving.
Lovely. Follow up with a 1/2 cup of sugar or melted chocolate chips.
Get all that chocolatey goodness in there.
All right, our 3-ingredient pie filling is in the blender. All we have to do is blend.
Sounds easy.
That looks great. I'm gonna go grab the pie crust and let's fill it. Wow, look at this.
That's gorgeous.
I think we did an okay job.
Mori-Nu Silken Tofu is velvety, so it helps the pie filling have this smooth texture.
I'm gonna let you do the whipped cream, and I'll follow up with some chocolate shavings.
Okay.
Beautiful, and the great thing about this recipe too is, you know, for the crust you can swap vegan butter. You can use coconut cream or aquafaba as a whipped cream topping as well. So this can be completely vegan. Now that looks beautiful. I'll come in here with a few chocolate shavings. All you need is a vegetable peeler and some hardened chocolate, and you get these beautiful chocolate shavings. And I think we have our pie. Now, as much as I want to eat this right now, and you gotta ideally chill it overnight. Sophie, the time has come.
Wow, that looks amazing.
It's finally set. Okay. All of our hard work. Ooh.
That looks beautiful. Wow. That is gorgeous. You could really see how smooth and velvety that filling is.
You know, that ratio of cream to filling is perfect. Oh my God. If you told people this is made with tofu, their minds would be blown.
So this is delicious and they'll be amazed. Hope you were inspired to make a chocolate silk pie with Mori-Nu Silken Tofu. Go to mori-new.com for this recipe and more. And don't forget to join Mori-U Rewards.